Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your steering wheel. First, understand that your steering wheel locks as a security feature, preventing theft when the key is out. This can sometimes make it difficult to start your car. To begin, ensure you have your car key ready. This simple method will help you get back on the road quickly and without frustration. Once your key is in the ignition, the next step is to apply the wiggle method. Insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Now, while gently turning the key as if to start the car, simultaneously wiggle the steering wheel from side to side. You don't need excessive force. A light, consistent motion should do the trick. You'll feel the lock release. If the wiggle method doesn't work immediately, don't panic. First, double-check that your car is securely in park or neutral. Never force the key or the steering wheel with excessive strength, as this could cause damage. If your primary key is old or worn, consider trying a spare key, as a fresh cut can sometimes make a difference. Patience is key here. To prevent your steering wheel from locking in the future, try to ensure it's straight when you turn off the engine and remove the key. Avoid turning the wheel after the key is out, as this is often what engages the lock. A little mindfulness can save you time and effort. Also, for more great tips and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.